Good morning, class. We are going to be doing some math together today. I made a little workstation in my bedroom. I bet you've been having different workstations all around your house too, but this was the quietest place for me to do my work today. I hope that you're finding good spaces for you to do your work in as well. Hey guys, I'm going to be teaching you a new strategy today in math. We're still going to be adding greater numbers, and we're going to be using our circle drawings, 10 sticks and ones, and thinking about place value as we do this work. But I want to teach you a little bit more efficient strategy than drawing out all those circles and all those ones. It's called New Tens Below, and I'm going to be using an application called EduCreations. I recorded a video of me teaching, and I'm going to attach it right to this video. You will probably want to get in a very good workstation, and you might want a pencil and a paper with you, because I'm going to be modeling this work, and I want you to do the work right along with me. So pause this video, grab a paper, grab a pencil, and we'll get started together. Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to use my whiteboard to help me solve this, or actually, I'm going to use my whiteboard to help show you how to solve this math problem with greater numbers, 57 plus 35. Boys and girls, I just wrote the problem in vertical form. Now, we've been using stick and circle drawings to help us solve these problems. For example, we know that 57 is 5 tens and 7 ones. Having a good understanding of place value is going to be very important in solving numbers with greater, in solving two-digit addition with greater numbers. So 57, 5 tens, and 7 ones, 35, 3 tens, and 5 ones. Now we know that we can make a new 10 over here. I'm going to take 3 of these and add them up above to make a new 10. So now I have 5 tens plus 3 tens is 8 tens, plus another 10 is 9 tens. So I have 9 tens, and then I still have 2 ones. The answer would be 92. Many of you have been using this strategy to help you solve these problems, and this strategy works. It's a very good strategy. But today I'm going to show you another way to do this work called New Tens Below. Boys and girls, you're still going to add your tens and your ones, 57 plus 35. But to start, you're going to start with adding your ones. 7 ones plus 5 ones. And 7 plus 5 we know is 12. 12 is 1 10 and 2 ones. So I'm going to put my 10 below and my 2 in my ones column. Do you see how I just wrote the number 12? And I just added a small little 1 right here below my 5 and my 3. Now I'm going to add all of my tens. 5 tens plus 3 tens is 8, plus my additional 1 10 equals 9 tens. 92 is my answer. This strategy of adding the new 10 below, right lined up in your tens column, helps you to see that you have another 10 you have to add in when you're adding your tens, because your ones, 7 plus 5 equaled 12. 1, 2, 1 10 and 2 ones is the number 12. This strategy of adding the new 10 below is one way to add greater numbers. Let's try it one more time together. So you'll see that we're going to be adding 48 plus 35. And I wrote very neatly, keeping my ones in a column and my tens in a column. 48 is 4 tens and 8 ones. 35 is 3 tens and 5 ones. So I lined up my tens and my ones, attending to precision is very important when you're adding greater numbers. First, I'm going to add my ones. 8 ones plus 5 ones. 8 ones plus 5 ones. Now, I know that 8 plus 5 is 13. So in the strategy of adding new tens below, 13 is 1 10 and 3 ones. I'm going to put my 1 10 in the tens column and my 3 ones in the ones column. So now I have 13. Now my job is to add the tens. So I'm going to add 4 tens plus 3 tens is 7 tens plus my 1 10 that I included when I had 13 ones. I had 1 10 and 3 ones. So now I'm going to add all of my tens. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8 tens. And my answer to 48 plus 35 is 83. Boys and girls, I want you to try this strategy of adding a new 10 below when you do your work today. Now, if you still have to draw out your 10 sticks and your ones to solve these problems, no problem. You still can do this work, but I want you, when you make that new 10, let's see, 5, and I'm going to just add that extra 5 to make my new 10. When you have these 3 extras here, these are your ones now. That's right here, your 3 ones. And this new 10 that you made, record it right underneath your tens column. Put your new 10 below so that you actually can see what you're doing, because now you have these 4 tens plus these 3 tens plus this new 10 you made. Record that work below. Even if you're making a circle and stick drawing, still record your new 10 below. All right, guys, you've got this. You can do it. There's 4 problems for you to complete on the Dr. Dialogue, and don't forget to add your new 10 below.